Hello, my friends. In addition to millions of cattle of popular breeds, such as Angus, Hereford, Holstein, or Nguni, currently many cattle farms in the United States and some African countries also raise Longhorn cattle for the purpose of harvesting meat, milk, or raising for conservation. In recent years, the most famous Longhorn cattle breeds can be mentioned as the Ancole cattle or Texas Longhorn. In addition, the English Longhorn is also a well-known and popular Longhorn cattle breed. This breed is primarily found in the north of the United Kingdom, known for its distinctive appearance. From the Great Plains of the United States to the tribal lands of Africa, Longhorn cattle symbolize resilience, great adaptability, and timeless beauty, making them a cherished part of many cultures. We are currently located in the western region of Uganda. This is where the largest concentration of Ancole Longhorn cattle ranches are in Africa. Like most other livestock lands in the world, each morning these Ancole Longhorn cattle will be released. They go from the barn into the pastures to feed freely, returning only in the late afternoon. It is estimated that there are currently nearly 7.3 million Ancole cattle raised in Africa. They are mainly distributed in East Africa, especially countries such as Uganda, Rwanda, or Kenya. These cattle are of cultural and economic importance to the region, supporting livelihoods and traditions. According to the grazing habits of farmers in East Africa, herds of dozens or even hundreds of individuals are usually only grazed in pastures up to 3 miles from the farm, ensuring they stay close. In addition to helping farmers easily control their livestock, another reason why herdsmen and their herds don't have to travel too far is because natural food sources in this area are abundant and readily available, reducing the need for extensive travel. Although the Ancole is a culturally well-loved cattle breed in Africa, it is not the continent's most popular cattle breed. For decades, the Zebu has always been the most popular cattle breed raised in Africa. Known for its hardiness, it is estimated that at present, the number of Zebu cattle in Africa may be more than 300 million individuals. The Ankole Longhorn cattle are common only in East Africa, and their name comes from the Ankole people, an ethnic group living mainly in the western regions of Uganda and parts of Rwanda, who value these animals. Burying the water, we dance to the sound. Blessings on the village, on this sacred ground. On average, an adult male ankole usually weighs around 1,100 pounds, a substantial size for these impressive animals. And the average weight of a female is only around 800 pounds, making them lighter than their male counterparts. Compared to Angus cattle raised in the United States, the weight of Ankole Longhorn cattle is about 30% lighter. In the grazing pastures of Uganda, farmers often store water for their livestock by building rainwater tanks. Or digging small canals to channel water, ensuring a steady supply for their herds. In the late afternoon, when the sun has gradually turned off, the ankole herds will be herded into the barn to rest. Because there are no predators around these farms, the construction of the barn is also done rather simply. It does not have a roof, relying on natural shelter for the cattle's comfort and safety. Most herders here just need a place to gather their herds close to where they live. About every 3 days, the farmers will burn straw or other materials to create smoke in the barn. This practice helps to control insects and other parasites, ensuring the health and well-being of the cattle. In addition, they say this helps reduce the stress of animals in tight conditions, creating a calmer environment. When the Ankole Longhorn cattle are eligible for meat production, they are taken to cattle markets. There, they are sold to slaughterhouses, where they undergo a carefully managed process. It is estimated that 2.7 million Ankole Longhorn cattle are slaughtered each year for their meat. More than 60% of these cattle are raised in the western regions of Uganda, a key area for production. In modern slaughterhouses, the process begins with the humane handling of animals, ensuring minimal stress. Advanced technology is used for efficient and hygienic processing, from stunning to evisceration and chilling. Each step is carefully monitored to meet strict quality and safety standards, providing high-quality meat products. The meat from these cattle is then prepared for various culinary uses, contributing to diverse global cuisines. From succulent steaks to hearty stews, beef is a versatile ingredient enjoyed in countless dishes worldwide. Popular dishes include classic beef burgers, a staple in many Western diets, offering a satisfying and flavorful experience. Across Asia, beef is central to dishes like flavorful curries and sizzling stir-fries, showcasing rich spices and cooking techniques. European cuisine features iconic beef dishes such as Italian lasagna and French boeuf bourguignon, celebrated for their depth of flavor. Latin American countries offer spicy and robust beef preparations like tacos and fajitas, often paired with fresh vegetables and zesty sauces. Brazilian churrasco, with its perfectly grilled cuts, highlights the quality of beef and the art of open-fire cooking, a true culinary experience. The global demand for beef continues to drive innovation in farming and culinary arts, ensuring its place on tables worldwide. Each culture brings its unique flavors and traditions to beef, making it a truly universal and beloved food. We say goodbye to the plains of Africa now. We will go to several states in the United States to see how farmers here raise tens of thousands of Texas Longhorn cattle, a breed renowned for its hardiness and distinctive appearance. According to USDA statistics, by the end of 2022, there were about 273,000 Texas Longhorn cattle being raised in the United States, a testament to their enduring popularity and value. And of course, many of these cattle are raised on farms in, you guessed it, Texas. Like many other cattle breeds raised in the United States, Texas Longhorn cattle are reared for their meat and crossbreeding. However, the most striking feature this Longhorn cattle breed brings to America is its historical and cultural significance. Many ranches in the United States claim that they often raise Texas Longhorn cattle to preserve and honor the heritage of the American West. In addition, these Longhorn cattle serve as a symbol of the frontier era, embodying the spirit of rugged independence. Only about 45,000 Texas Longhorn cattle are slaughtered in the United States each year. And meat extraction is only performed on the mature cattle, ensuring sustainable practices. All calves of this breed are kept until they are at least 18 months old, allowing them to mature properly. Currently, the ranch with the most Texas Longhorn cattle is a ranch in Hill County, Central Texas. This ranch has about 420 Longhorn cattle, a significant herd for breeding and production. And each year, between 100 and 130 of these Texas Longhorns are sold for meat production and for entertainment or exhibition purposes, showcasing their unique beauty and impressive horns to an audience. Which breed of Longhorn cattle are you most impressed with? Let me know what you think in the comment section of the video. That